compliments of the season, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm making steamed mutton. But I want to show you how I'm going to get these extremely tender. I'm using an old remedy. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. And the secret is papaya leaves. Okay. Everything here will be listed for you in the description box below. So be sure to check it out. Now my mutton have already been rinsed in vinegar and water. I'm adding the seasoning. If you don't have the ones that I'm using, please use what you have. Go ahead. Make it yours. You know what your stomach can take. Use whatever you have and you work it. God bless you. Right now is a good time for me to say hello to my people, to my members. God bless you a million. To my subscribers, my OGs, you are always coming back. God bless you. Without you, there won't be any new subscribers. I appreciate your love and support. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Now to those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, it's about time now you make up your mind to subscribe. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. I am still looking for new membership. Join this Christmas and become official to this channel. Treat yourself to a membership here on Melda 242. We start from $4.99 all the way up into $49.99. Come on, man. Become official this Christmas. God bless you and thank you in advance. If you'd like to donate to this channel, the post office box is listed below this video as well as our PayPal information. God bless you and thank you in advance. Family and friends, I want you to know that I am still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you have just subscribed, welcome to the family. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.